My country people are welcome on for Bishopnews O'clock. Make a yarn on some Tori wey say they happen for inside Obodo country. Some parents don't they provoke the parayan after they pay 1.2 million naira for backup university. Where they can't carry their children, they take go to school. They can't discover say plenty hostel rooms not there for their children.
Out? Do we owe you money?
No.
You have to give us good example. That's why we left public university. You are worse as private university.
Belle don dey sweet on Nigerians dem after we one engineering student for inside University of Jos come build ogbonge car as a final year project and the student name na Blessing. For on top this video wey the video one guy wey be say dey sell water as he come dey dash out money dey give prisoners dem wey be say dey dey for inside their Black Maria and na for traffic when dey sell the water dem and dey dash dem the money. Federal government don lift the ban wey dey ban Twitter 7 months after wey dey suspend the social media platform. This story not sweet bella at all after some dancers they will say that they dance for inside church. Now so one of them come poof by. The governor of Ebonyi State will be Dave Umahi don yarn. Say God tell him making run for 2023 presidential election. Say but God not tell him if he go win. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission, wey be EFCC, don arrest Ismaila Mustafa aka Mofa, say because he tiftalize about 6 billion naira and they come yarn saying they always dey hide the money worth for inside the wristwatches they wey be saying they buy. One 21-year-old kidnapper wey be Haiwa Abdulrasheed, he call about for inside Kano State, don arrest him. Say because he put buy one 13-year-old girl wey be hawker after when he kidnap the girl, come dey ask for 1 million naira ransom. Ekalaba police don arrest one 52-year-old man wey name be Ifeanyi Madukwe after when he buy 3 of his children dem come put them for inside fridge. Yaba Chief Magistrate Court don arrest 2 teenagers dem say because na dem buy the redeemed pastor for Festac and their name na Kasali Jamil 19 years old and the other one na Mohammed Farouk 16 years old. Evil just dey increase day by day. One man wey dey call Aloy don go beat one of him apprentice boy come poof by say because say 1,000 naira note to the loss and this gbege happen for Ogba area for inside Lagos State. High Court for inside Umuahia Abia State don put 19th of January to go do the judgment of the fundamental human rights suit wey Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, sue against federal government. Not be small kasala boss for inside Jos when they call about police they arrest one man wey be Moses Oko 20 years old after when he put by him girlfriend wey be Jennifer 300 level student or University of Jos say because he used the girl to do blood money.
Moses Oko, the boyfriend of the deceased Jennifer, fled after her lifeless body was found on 1st January at the Dumos Passy guest house where they had lodged with some part of her body already harvested, allegedly by the suspect.
They don arrest 2 fake Economic and Financial Crime Commission officials them for inside Ogele Delta State. Make we sharply enter inside sport Tori. This one happened for inside African Cup of Nations after when the match wey they play, the referee come end the match for 85 minutes. We make the whole place come cast quickly.
He has definitively brought the match to the end and there's still not 90 minutes on the clock. Gianni Sikazwi signals that Mali have won this game 1-0.
This na Bishopnews O'clock. My name is Sinehi. Make una get conscious day.